Hi guys! Welcome to SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on work problem. No? So, sa previous video pinag-aralan natin kung paano ba isolve yung problem kung saan yung isang tao ay nagtatrabaho and then someone joins him. No? So, dito naman, ang gagawin natin is pag-aralan naman natin yung nag-start sila na magkasabay tapos merong isang aalis, no? Na hindi pa natatapos yung trabaho. And then, the person left ay siya yung magtatapos ng trabaho. No? So, basahin natin yung problem. Jack can dig a ditch alone in 5 days while John alone can do it in 8 days. The two of them started working together, but after 2 days, Jack left the job. So, how many more days do John need to work to finish the job alone? Okay, so si Jack, yung kanyang rate ay 5 days, no? And si John, kaya niyang tapusin in 8 days. Meaning, since nagtrabaho na sila ng 2 araw, so meaning 2/5 is the job, is part of the work, part of the job or work finished by Jack, no? Tapos yung 2/8 naman, this is the part of the job finished by John. Tapos nung natapos na silang dalawa, meron pang tatapusin si John, no? So ang rate ni John ay 1/8, no? Sa isang araw, this is the part of the job finished that John can do in 1 day, no? Pero ang hindi natin alam kung ilang days, the number of days na John will work to finish the job. Or kung past tense man yan, ay number of days John worked to finish the job. So, it doesn't matter naman kung ano. So, syempre, yung natapos na nilang trabaho, i-add natin yan. So, 2/5 plus 2/8. And then, i-add natin dun sa number of days. So, sa work na magagawa pa ni John alone. So, 1/8 yung kanyang rate per day. Tapos yung X ay kung ilang araw niyang tatapusin yung trabaho. So, this is equal to 1, no? Yung the entire job. Again, pag nag-solve tayo ng ganitong klase ng equation, we multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominators, no? So, what is the LCM of 5 and 8? That's 40, di ba? So, hindi ko na ituturo sa inyo pagbuha ng LCM. Dapat alam nyo na siya. This is algebra, no? So, prerequisite knowledge siya. Kung hindi nyo alam paano ay tignan nyo yung video natin on LCM. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 40. So 40 times 2/5 plus 2/8 plus 1/8 x equals 40 times 1. So nag-multiply tayo both sides. 40 times 2/5, 40 over 1 times 2/5 plus 40 over 1 times 2/8 plus 40 over 1 times 1/8 x equals 40. So, kaya may over 1 kasi sabi natin pag nag-multiply tayo ng fraction sa whole number, yung whole number pwede natin lagyan ng over 1 para meron siyang denominator din. No? Kasi ang rule is you multiply the numerator and then you multiply the denominator pag nag-multiply tayo ng fraction. So, this is 80 over 5, no? Plus plus 80 over 8. Pwede na kayo mag-cancel dyan, no? Sinistep by step ko na yan. Pero pwede nyo na indiretso. 40 over 8. So, we're multiplying the numerator and the denominator, no? Yan yung rule natin pag multiply tayo ng fraction. Tapos, meron tayong x dito equals 40. 80 over 5 is 16 plus 10. 80 over 8 is 10. Plus 5x. So, 40 over 8 is 5. Tapos, meron tayong x equals 40. So 16 plus 10 is 26 plus 5x equals 40. And 5x equals 40 minus 26. Subtract 26 from both sides. 5x equals 40. Meaning, if we divide both sides by 5, we have x equals 14 over 5. Okay, or this is a mixed number. This is an improper fraction and we want to convert it to a mixed number. So 14 divided by 5, that's 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. 4. So pag nag-convert tayo ng mixed fraction, improper fraction to mixed number, we just divide. Tapos kunin natin to bilang whole number. Tapos ito yung ating numerator. At ito naman yung ating denominator. So that's 2 and 4/5. Meaning, 2 and 4/5 days pa siyang magtatrabaho. Si John alone. No? So this is 2 and 4/5 days. Okay, so that's it. Sana ay naintindihan nyo yung ating video and sana maliwanag yung pagkaka-explain ko. Comment kayo and then i-like nyo. And then, of course, punta kayo sa zip9.com for more videos and you can also subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.